English class. Daily conversations. Lesson 2. Formal greetings. John. Good morning, Professor Joe. How are you doing? Professor Joe. Good morning, John. I'm doing well, and you? John. I'm a great, thank you. This is my friend Anna. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Professor Joe. Hello, Anna. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office this afternoon. Anna. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Professor Joe, don't mention it. Hopefully, I'll be able to answer your questions. Here we have a note. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are used at different times of the day to greet people. Here is another note. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. It is an informal way of saying you're welcome. Informal greetings. John. Hi, Pablo. How's it going? John. I'm okay. Where are you heading to? Pablo. To the college. I've got an English exam tomorrow and I need to start studying. John. Oh, well, I'll see you later then. Good luck, my friend. Pablo. Thanks. See you soon. Here we have a note. Hi and hey. Both are an informal way of saying hello. How's it going? And what's up? Both are an informal way of saying how are you? Here we have another note. See you later and see you soon. Both are an informal way of saying goodbye. Formal introductions. Joseph. Mr. Andrew, I would like you to meet Dr. Joe Fernandez. Mr. Andrew. It's nice to meet you, Dr. Fernandez. Dr. Fernandez. Pleasure to meet you too. Joseph. Dr. Fernandez is a famous kidney surgeon. Mr. Andrew. Actually, I've heard a lot about you, sir. Dr. Fernandez. Here is my card. You can contact me if you need anything. Mr. Andrew. Thank you so much. Here we have a note. I would like you, or I'd like, is a formal way of saying I like and I won't. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button to receive more videos.